Third grade Science, Chapter 8, Water, oh Water. New words. Lather, white bubbles formed by mixing soap with water. Reservoir, a large tank where water is stored before it is taken by pipes to houses. Channel, a passage through which water can flow. Plenty, a large amount. Filtration, the process of removing impurities from a liquid. Textile industries, factories that make cloth. Purification, the process through which something is made pure. Seep, to move slowly and in small amounts through something. Water, plenty of water is available on the earth's surface. In fact, 3/4 of earth is water. It is found in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. It is also found as snow on the mountains. Water is very important for human beings, animals and plants. Besides drinking, we use water in our daily lives in many other ways. Uses of water. We use water at home for drinking, washing utensils and clothes, cooking food, cleaning, bathing, and a lot of other activities. There are some other uses of water also. Let's learn about them. Irrigation. Farmers need a lot of water for growing crops. Water is taken to the fields from rivers, lakes, and from underground sources of water. Small channels are dug in the ground from the main source of water to the field. The channels that carries water to the field is called a canal. Canals help in growing crops in dry areas and when there is less rainfall. Transportation. Transport means to carry people and things from one place to another. Ships, canoes, barges and sailboats are some means of water transport. These carry people and things through oceans, seas, rivers and lakes and even through large canals. Industries. Industries that make paper products, food and beverages, textile and metals use a large amount of water to make their products. Water for fun and sports. Water can also be used in various activities for fun and some sports. We enjoy activities such as swimming, boating and fishing. Water parks and lakesides are also popular places for people to relax or go for a picnic. Fountains in parks and in different places in the cities look beautiful. Many people enjoy sports such as skiing, ice skating and ice hockey. Do you know? Flowing water Flowing water from rivers is also used to produce electricity. This electricity is known as hydroelectricity. How do we get fresh water? You have studied that almost 3/4 of Earth is covered with water. Most of it is present in the oceans. The water in the oceans is salty and is not fit for our use. Salty water is not suitable for drinking or even for other uses such as washing or cleaning. It cannot even be used for watering the plants. The water that we use in our daily life is called fresh water. It does not have any salt. Rainwater is the main source of fresh water. When rain falls on the ground, some of the water seeps into the ground. It collects in the spaces between the soil and rocks under the ground. This water is called groundwater. It is brought up to the surface by digging wells and other tube wells and hand pumps. Some, ra- some rainwater flows on the surface and collects in river, lakes and ponds. Snow on the mountains melts and flows as rivers. Snow also has fresh water as snow is the frozen rainwater. Some lakes that fill up with rainwater or are made by underground water that comes up as natural spring also contain fresh water. In cities and towns, water from the rivers and rain is collected in huge areas called reservoirs. Water is then purified and made safe for use. Purification of water is done in a water purification plant. Water is then supplied through pipes to our homes. Water purification. Water which is fit for drinking is called potable water. It is very important to make water safe for drinking to prevent diseases. Water collected from open source like wells, lakes, or rivers can be made safe for use at home by following these steps. Boiling. Drinking water should be boiled, cooled, and stored in clean vessels. It kills the germs present in it. Filtration. Water has many impurities in it. These can be removed by passing the water through a filter. However, it is the best to first boil and then filter the water before drinking it. Thank you.